For this project, we decided to make a video talking about the misconceptions about aging and ageism. What is ageism, you ask?
Ageism is the stereotyping of old people as they age. Basically, it's the idea of younger people and older people themselves believing that older people, as they get older, cannot accomplish things in society and on their own. However, this is false.
We went around Regis and interviewed 8 students on their common misconceptions of older adults. We hope this video was informative and helped break down the misconceptions about aging. Thank you for watching.
That happiness decreases or increases as you age?
Probably increases.
Why do you think that?
I think the longer people live, the more, the less self-conscious they are, and the more they figure out who they are and who they want to be, and they stop pretending for others.
That's a good answer. Yes, studies have shown that your actually happiness is at highest at retirement age, and that happiness falls in a U shape. So your early age, you're the happiness, and as time goes on, when you have children, it starts to decrease, and as you hit 50s, it starts to increase again. So you know the correct answer to this.
Okay.
Older adults have sex.
No.
Why do you think that?
Because they're older and maybe their relationship isn't as good.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you you're wrong. This is because older adults actually do have sex until they're about 70, and then it starts to decrease. Okay.
True or false? Age only has one definition.
True.
It's actually false. So there are multiple definitions that go into age, such as chronological age, which is basically your age of birth. So you're 21 now. Biological age, which is basically your physical capabilities. Psychological age, which is your mental age. An example of this is if you're still living with your parents in their basement. Social age, which are basically your roles over life, so becoming a student, a dad, and so on. And then your functional age, which is basically comparing your age and how well you're doing compared to other people your age, and so on.
All right.
Thank you.
Do you think older adults have better relationships than younger adults?
No, I do not think so. One example are parents. Many parents often don't think of their kids' happiness, so they try to work around that by doing things.
So you're wrong. As
Okay.
you increase as you increase in age, your relationships become better in quality. Although when you're younger, you may have a larger social circle, you're actually going to have more meaningful relationships as you age.
Do you think all forms of memory decrease as you get older?
No.
That's correct. Because episodic decreases and semantic does not. So you are correct.
All right. When do you think you should start prepping for death and making a will?
Either definitely sometime after retirement, or if you know you have a terminal illness that if after retirement or there's a terminal illness that you're faced with.
All right.
Can we
Well,
do that?
that's fair, but you should actually start making one now,
Right
because
now?
because you never know when another one will bite the dust, as they would say.
The older you get, the more senile you'll be.
No.
Why do you think that?
I don't know. If you go crazy because you're just crazy. You're just crazy because you're crazy. You're born crazy. You don't get crazy.
Yeah, you're right. It's not necessarily true. It is a common misconception with aging that you could probably be more senile as you age, but really it's, again, like you said, genetic disposition if you become that way. Most people have pretty normal temperaments and everything is great.
Are there different forms of retirement? You're correct. There is shunning, worry, gradual retirement, and pressed retirement.